going on? Today we're going to be changing the EGR valve in my 2003 Montero Sport. It's got the 3.5 liter engine, V6. And I figured I'd make a quick video to show you guys how to do it. This is the EGR valve right here. If you follow the vacuum lines, it goes into the controller right here. This is your EGR valve controller. I've already swapped that out, but I figured I'd show you guys where it's at. Well, let me show you. That little red switch right there, that's your EGR valve controller. And it just goes into a block. You got 2 bolts on top and 2 bolts on the bottom. And you just pull it out and swap it out. But today we're going to focus on the actual EGR valve. Get you back set up. And that's a very, very, very simple replacement. Here's the new one right here. It costed me about $18, I believe it was. And I ordered this gasket here. It was $3.99. These gaskets, they rarely don't go bad. But for extra $4, ain't no point risking it. Go through all that trouble just for a gasket being bad. Yeah, all we're gonna do right this second. Zoom out a little bit. Right now, we're just going to go and put this gasket on. You don't need any kind of gasket maker or anything else like that. You just want to make sure your holes line up, like you see there. And we're going to put that to the side. And regular socket, 12 millimeter. I'm sorry, 3/8 ratchet and 12 millimeter socket. Just going to loosen those up. I find it easier to go and pull the vacuum hose off early. That way you ain't got to fight with it when it's off the truck. So all you do is pull down and it usually pops right off. And just that one hose that's hooked up to it. These bolts are pretty long. They're screwed into your intake. Let's loosen that one a little bit more. And what usually goes wrong with these is either the diaphragm will get a pinhole in it. Let me zoom back out. These diaphragms, I mean this gasket, they'll go bad sometimes, but it's not really rare. I mean common. See, it's got some buildup on it. What usually goes bad with these is these diaphragms in here. The vacuum pulls on this and pulls that diaphragm up, and diaphragm get a pinhole over time sometimes, or these right here just get real dirty. But I try cleaning it and it seems still don't be working right. So I'm guessing I got a pinhole in my diaphragm. So we're just going to put this on. Let's zoom back in. I don't know if I showed you guys or not, but this will actually go on either way. They put 4 holes in there for you, so you can line it up and then put your EGR valve on. I got these parts off eBay. Like I said, I got the EGR controller, the EGR valve, and the gasket all for under $30, I believe it was. And that's a whole lot cheaper than the big box name part store wanted. Only downfall, you know, I had to wait a week, but I usually pre-plan my maintenance. But yeah, that's it. That's how simple it is to change your EGR valve. There's no need to go to a mechanic and pay someone to do that for you. It's very simple. On the bolts, I mean, you don't need super tight. You're going to aluminum, so you just tighten them, just 2-finger tight. I mean, you can see right here. You don't need it to be really tight, but that's it. I hope this helps somebody. And I don't know if I told you, but you will need to put your vacuum hose back on right there. But yeah, that's it. Thanks guys for watching. Please subscribe if this helped you. I'll do a lot of how-tos and easy fixes for your... I'll be mainly working on Montero Sport, but I mean, you know, cross-reference other vehicles. EGR valves is still EGR valve. Thank you very much. Have a great day.